Hey signers! Today I'm going to talk to you about our new homeschool curriculum. I've been teaching ASL for a while now, and one of the most frequently asked questions I get is, will your program work for my homeschooler? Well, now I can say yes. We have a brand new homeschool curriculum that is designed just for you and your family. This isn't just a check-the-box curriculum. It's a way to incorporate it into your whole entire week with fun activities and different videos to learn. In this video, I'm going to go step by step to show you what's included in this curriculum. Now, let's learn how to sign. All right, let's look at what is actually being offered in our brand new homeschool curriculum. This curated curriculum focuses on guiding you and your family through 30 weeks, plus 6 bonus holiday lessons in the areas of vocabulary, grammar, culture, fingerspelling, numbers, and various activities. Each week consists of a collection of resources that vary in time and how you implement it. Let's look at the highlights for each section. Each week, you will start off with 1 or 2 videos teaching new signs. We cover signing topics for beginner ASL conversations, describing people, school signs, jobs, food, weather, animals, time, and so much more. We encourage families to not watch these once and be done, but watch them multiple times throughout the week. Just like any language, introducing new vocabulary takes time. Watch it over and over. Rewind it, pause it, practice it, whatever is the best learning style for your family. The next section focuses on deaf history and culture, along with ASL grammar. These video-based lessons expand upon ASL and how to use it as a language, such as sentence structure, and not just signs. It also covers areas like how to fix mistakes in ASL, or how do deaf kids do school? There will be many questions that will pop up throughout this curriculum, and we hope we can answer most of them. This might seem extreme, but we have a whole section dedicated to fingerspelling and numbers. Fingerspelling is actually used a lot in ASL, and numbers have a lot of rules. Students will learn through videos or be prompted to do activities, exercises, or even quizzes to practice their knowledge. The final section is all about activities. Each activity section has 3 activities varying in ability and age. The first option will focus on pre-K to lower elementary ages. The second option will focus on upper elementary ages. And the third option will focus around middle school ages. You aren't limited to just one activity either. You might have a child who wants to do all 3 of them one week and just 2 the next. The activities range from coloring pages to scramble worksheets or virtual flashcards to researching about a certain topic. This entire curriculum is designed to provide an organized ASL resource with all the planning done for you, so you as a parent can enjoy learning along with your child. Our hope is you can use this as a guide for whatever works best for your family. Now, how do you purchase this curriculum? What is so exciting is it is a part of our existing accelerated program. So purchasing the curriculum does not just provide you with these homeschool lessons, but access to our other courses and offerings. Here's the highlights in 10 seconds. Weekly Live with Meredith to get your questions answered. Weekly live chats with other signers. Courses, community connection through Discord, and discounts. There are a lot more, but I promised only 10 seconds. We want to see this homeschool community grow when learning ASL, so we are doing a special discount for those early adopters. Use the discount code EARLYBIRD30 to receive 30% off before our launch on August 1st. We can't wait to see you and your families using the Learn How to Sign homeschool curriculum. Be sure to tag us on social media when you do. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.